Planning a trip can be exciting, but also incredibly time-consuming. From choosing a destination to booking every detail, the logistics can quickly become overwhelming. Fortunately, artificial intelligence is here to revolutionize how we travel. Start by using AI-powered travel planners. Input your interests, budget, and desired travel style, and these tools will suggest unique destinations and activities tailored just for you. They can even uncover hidden gems you might never find otherwise. Once you have a destination, AI can build a detailed itinerary. Provide your travel dates and preferred pace, and the AI will optimize routes, suggest timings for attractions, and even factor in travel time between locations. This saves hours of manual scheduling. AI tools excel at finding the best deals on flights and accommodations. They monitor price fluctuations and alert you to optimal booking times. Some platforms can even help manage your budget by tracking expenses and suggesting cost-saving alternatives. Don't forget the small details. AI can generate personalized packing lists based on your destination's weather and your planned activities. It can also provide essential information like local customs, visa requirements, and emergency contacts, ensuring you're fully prepared. Embrace AI for your next adventure. These intelligent tools streamline every step of trip planning, making it more efficient, personalized, and enjoyable. Spend less time planning and more time experiencing the world.